Also guys, welcome back again. So today is day 43. So yesterday we finished that day 42 to create a Docker network. So the day 43 is the lab title is we have to do the Docker pods mapping. Alright, if we are ready, let's run together. I will try to click the start button right now. Let's go. So okay, come on. Yeah, so we will read the given instruction. So here the Natalia's Doubles 10 is planning to host an application on a Nginx based container. So Docker container is working with the Nginx based image. So there are a number of tickets already been created for similar tasks. So one of the tickets has been assigned to set up an Nginx container on the application server 3 in the Stratos data center. Please perform the tasks as per details mentioned below. Alright, so we have the three requirements. This first requirement says that we have to prove that Nginx alpine Docker image on the application server 3. Alright, so we will go to app server 3. So you already know the app server 3 username is banner. So we're trying to access with the SSH. Bn in a banner, add SDAPP step 03. So I'm gonna say yes, and I will paste the password. So now we are on the app server 3. So the first step is we're gonna pull the Docker image. So that's when we use Docker pull. So image name is here Nginx colon alpine. So I will put that. So now we get the Docker image. We can check like this Docker images. Sorry. So you will see that here is the image name is Nginx and tag name is alpine. Here's the image ID. So and then we will create a container name, Docker container name. So container name is block blog, and using the image we put here. So image using this Nginx image. So and after that we have to map the host port number 8086 to the container port 8080. So please keep the container in a running state. Alright, so we will create a Docker container. So for creating Docker container, we can run docker run command, docker run, and we use detached mode. So that's when we use that -d. So here is like we have to get a container name, right? So I will get a container name. So the name parameter value is blog blog, and then we get the port number. That's when we use -p. So and now we will write the host port number. Host port number is 8086, and we add the colon, and then we will add the container port number. Container port number is 80, right? And after that we give the image name that we will use. So we have to apply this Nginx alpine image for this creating Docker container. So I will run this command. So now we successfully created a Docker container. So we can check it like docker ps. So you will see that. So this container is running here of 7 seconds ago. So this is a container. This is a host port number to the containers port TCP right here, and here image name container name is blog. Alright, so we successfully created. So let me check it out and click confirm. So that's it. So two main points are that we have to put that Docker image from the Docker registry or repositories like that, something like that, and then we will create a Docker container using that image that we pull. All right, so that's it. So if I can do it, you can also do it. It's so easy. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next coming video.